Hi everyone, welcome to this video tutorial where we will walk through the HTML and CSS code for a personal portfolio website which I have designed. We will go over the structure and purpose of each section from header to the different content sections. Let's get started. This is the personal portfolio which I have created. It contains different sections like about me, education, qualifications, skills, languages, interests, and contacts. And coming to the code, in HTML code, we use doctype HTML to declare and define the document type and the version of HTML and language of the document, which is English in this case. And head section. It contains meta character UTF-8, sets the character encoding to UTF-8, and meta name ensures the web page is responsive on all devices. And here these links are used to link external CSS style sheets and links to the favicon for the web page. And I have given the title yamini. We can see here and here. In the body section contains all the tags visible of the web page. And here I have used a navigation bar which contains all the different sections of the pages. And H2, underline, list, etc. Coming to the About section, it defines ab- About me. Div class About text grabs the text content for the About section, and H1 contains the heading About me, and P contains a paragraph describing About me. We can see here About me. And coming to the next section, education section defines the education section. Div class equals to heading contains the heading for the section, and H1 contains the heading education qualifications, and we have created a table. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. And coming to the next section, skills. In this section, I have also included languages and hobbies. I styled them with CSS to appear on separate boxes or cards like these. In this div class equals to box wraps different cards, and div class equals to card represents each card containing skills, languages, and interests. H2 contains the heading for each element. And coming to the next section, contact section. It defines the contact section, and div class equals to contact title contains the heading for the contact section, and H1 contains the heading contacts, and div class equals to contact details wraps the contact details, and here paragraph and ahref are used to provide link for phone number and email IDs. We can see here these are clickable links which can be opened. I have also created a link for email. And next, coming to the CSS code. This is the universal selector which applies to all elements on the page, and I have defined this size, padding, and font family for it. And next, it is a background section. It defines the height and width of the background. I have created the background color dark color. And next, coming to navigation bar and logo, and coming to the content section, it positions the content in the center of the background using absolute positioning and transform. H1, H3 and H4 styles the heading elements with colors, margins, font sizes and letter spacing. We can see here H1, H3 and H4. And next, about section. It sets the dimension, padding and background for the about section, and about text specifies the width for the text content, and about text H1 and P styles the heading and paragraph within the about section. We can see here the heading and the paragraph. And education section defines width, background color and padding for the education section, and H1 table and TDTH are used for creating cells with different dimensions and adding margin and text alignment for the borders. And coming to the next, skills, languages and interests. Here we use a box uses flex box to center the content, and dot card styles the individual cards with the dimensions, padding and background color, border radius and positioning. And coming to the contact section, it defines width, background color, padding for the contact section, and contact title H1 centers the heading. We can see here that the contacts is in the center of the page. And we have decorated the remaining with these. Thank you for watching the video.